this episode of Sail On, we repeat last year's trip down to Astoria. Although this year, Cabernet will stay in Astoria throughout July as we make attempts to cross the infamous Columbia River Bar. As with last year, the trip begins with a night of 4th of July fireworks in St. Helens. Like last year, we planned to make a 2-day trip to Astoria, but this time we'd be making a stop in the town of Cathlamet, Washington. In order to get there by mid-afternoon, we pushed off around 6 a.m. As a standard of practice, we always wear our PFDs while on deck underway. Safety first. We ended up motoring the entire way to a Locomotion Slough Marina in Cathlamet. The well-kept marina has camping spots, RV spots, a few small cabins, and 2 yurts, which you can see here on the breakwater. Although weeds could be seen on each side of the narrow entrance channel, we found a consistent 10-foot depth all the way in and around the breakwater.
Here we are in the little Cathlamet Marina.
Yeah, then we just pull right in behind them. We don't even have to turn.
Yeah, that's nice.
From the docks, it is a short walk to the marina office, where there are bathrooms, showers, and a nice covered area with tables. If you are lucky or plan ahead, you might be able to browse the local farmers market that sets up at the marina. A block further up the hill, you will find a small craft brewery, and in another block, a really good pizza place. Walking another quarter mile through the neighborhood streets, you come to the small historic downtown featuring more restaurants, a small grocery store, and a historic hotel. Making a loop, you can walk down past the old steam engine and gillnet boat to the trail and boardwalk that crosses the creek back to the marina. The town and marina are an overlooked, out-of-the-way gem full of history and wild surroundings. Bald eagles are a common sight along the river, swooping down for fish, all the while being harassed by gulls and crows. And once again it was time to push off. Ignored by the dogs again. I'm not sure, but I think that sigh means how much longer until the bridge? Kara went up front to get the bow line ready, and we didn't even film ourselves passing under the bridge.
Yeah, look at the traffic. We should have our horn, and we should toot when we're heading in
I
here.
know, for sure.
It's somewhere down in there.
Ahoy!
Ho, ho, ho!
It's a good feeling to be greeted by family and friends at a destination port.
And with the way the wind's blowing, we should be pointed straight into it as we're going, so it should be easier than the last time. Hoping. So we'll go in from the blue boat one. Is that where we were? Seems like it. Oh yeah, because there's that motorboat. There's that that motor lifeboat.
Oh.
Right? Where we were near that. So I'm gonna go one on the other side of the blue sailboat, I think. Or should I go two over? Oh yeah, that's Joe's boat. Let's go one more down because our bowsprit. I'm gonna go down right kitty corner from the lifeboat because we've got all their stern lines and bowsprits and shit. Yeah, that's yeah. So we're gonna be one over from where we were last year.
lot easier landing this year.
Yeah.
And that was it. We had made it to Astoria again. Thanks for watching, and look out for our next episode as we head out to cross the Columbia River Bar. Until then, sail on.